Hi and good afternoon. I'm sat in the RAV and driving down to North London to go and have a look at another MG. This one is a 160 brake horsepower VVC. Found it on Auto Trader for £999, which is actually really quite good money. Saw one sell for something like £1,600 probably about 6 weeks ago, maybe slightly less than that. Did actually go and have a look at that one, and that one, to be honest, was a state. Amazed that it's sold for that sort of money, but it's a good indicator that these are obviously becoming desirable, and the VVCs especially are definitely going up in value. So if this one is any good, I'm going to grab it whilst I've got the opportunity, because the next one could be a lot more expensive. And right, let's see how it goes anyway. I'll be back later. Well, that was fun. Drove all the way down here, got stuck in traffic, and the car doesn't start. It's not mine, my RAV's perfect. Just spoke to the owner of that MGTF that I went to see on Wednesday. The car's still not running. It's suspected it might be a fueling problem. However, he tells me it was running perfectly the night before. So we've agreed at a lower price and knocked him down significantly, shall we say. And I just need to organise a trailer and go and pick it up.
Pitched up, ready to go. I think Scotty's dead chuffed that we're ready to go.
Oh yeah, dead chuffed.
Yeah, trailer's all set up.
Looking forward to my 550 quid's worth of parts.
Yes, we'll
but
see.
If it turns into a good car, then that's a real bonus.
Yeah, so be good. Right, let's get on the road, see where we get to. I think we've made it to our location now, so we've got our trailer here. Scotty is now wondering how the vehicle managed to make its way to the side of the road, even if it doesn't run.
Yeah, or has he started it? Anyway, we have an envelope full of cash, and if I'm really lucky, I'm buying a running car rather than a broken down car. We got the car back to my place with no problems, and the first job is to remove the roll hoops, carpet, sound protection and engine cover. Now we can perform the basic checks, starting with spark plug condition and cylinder compression. Go for it. I thought the compression on mine was high.
What's that?
200 and, I don't know, 210, 212.
Ready?
205, 206.
Definitely within 10% though.
That's not bad. 220, 222. Yeah. Maybe 170. Anything more than a 10% variation isn't desirable. However, number 4 is nowhere near bad enough that it would prevent the engine from starting. Would you like to demonstrate? Hey, that's good, huh? Okay.
It's not in the fuel tank.
Amongst other things, that would certainly explain the smell of fuel, which is really quite strong. I like this as well. So we'll take the fuel pump out and check it, and then we can refit it properly. I can imagine this being a bit difficult.
Watch. That would not be good.
not ideal.
Watch out for the float. Oh, it's on the float's on. Wow, it's deep.
Yeah. Right, and then go roughly this way, isn't it?
I've done it about 4 times now. And I've attempted to try and failed every single time, and then just thought it's really hurting my hands. I don't want to be doing this anymore.
Right.
Has it got the kinky?
This clip for some reason was a real pig to refit. I'm not sure what Swampy's trick with the cable tie was, but it worked.
Sorted.
Just for a second there, it actually sounded like you wanted to start. Unfortunately, no joy.
Variable intake solenoid number 2 circuit malfunction, and engine hot lamp output control circuit malfunction.
Right, so basically the same as before.
And an extra one. The oil as well. Oh, VVT requested 225 degrees. VVT measured 0 degrees.
We need to keep in mind that we're seeing erratic readings. We know the PSCAN tool is good and reliable, so if there is a problem, it's far more likely to be the car than the tool.
And just give it a crank just to see what
Sure.
we see. Well, I mean, it's requesting 225 and it's getting 213 measured on the VVT.
Okay.
Oil temperature's saying it's alright. Injection, the injectors were all going at the same interval. I strongly suspect maybe the timing, because we know the ignition's working.
Yes. Right.
As far as we can tell.
Yeah.
The fuel pump might be just too slow and it's not providing enough fuel. But I'd have thought at least it attempted to try and do something, because eventually it'd get some fuel in there to be able to.
Yeah, unless it's just getting blown out. Every time the exhaust valve opens, it just gets blown out.
Yeah. Oxygen sensor condition. Oxygen sensor heater on. Set the voltage. Oh, sensor voltages look sensible. 0.5 volts at the moment.
Good.
So for sitting idle, that seems. Can you just try cranking it again, just to see? I want to see whether that suddenly spews out and changes.
At this moment, we had no idea what was about to happen.
Whoa!
What the hell was that?
That was it.
Backfiring in the exhaust. Jeez.
I think he's just had problems with it and not been able to fix it.
Yeah.
And I reckon, you know, when he said I had that pickup,
Yes.
I wondered if it got taken away for the mechanic to have a look at it.
Yeah.
And then he'd come back like this, because I couldn't fix it. And he couldn't figure out what it was.
Okay. After getting over the shock of destroying the cat and the exhaust, and deciding that we were actually very relieved not to have been behind it at the time, we decided that we'd check the timing. I'll go into this in more detail in the next video.
So then it's not timing either?
It looks like the timing is correct. We'll need to check the second timing belt and the VVC timing. I'll cover those jobs in the next video. We're going to get the car up on the ramps and remove the destroyed catalytic converter and back box. What a mess. Didn't we do it? Yep, it's got a PRT.
Oh, nice.
Looks like it's still got the oil cooler as well. Yeah. Subframe doesn't seem to be horrendous. It's a bit rusty. Doesn't look any worse than the 135. This was recorded last year in 2021. This was before my 135 subframe and engine rebuild. So if you've not seen it, check out my video series documenting the massive amount of work I've completed on the 135 TF.
The oil of the duck.
I should go squeeze some ducks.
Yeah, please if you could. Oh, that was easy. Pin it and I can hear it pumping, but it's not done anything. Okay. That strap's clamped. No.
No?
Too long. It's going to go now. I would have thought. This one off.
Hey.
There you go. It's now it's off. See, there's yet another bolt to undo.
Yeah.
The cat has something attached to it still.
Lambda?
Yeah.
I think that should be loose now.
Yeah. Oh, caught. Caught. There we go. One cat.
Hey.
That's
Just there.
Yeah.
Suffice to say, the insides of a catalytic converter are supposed to be, well, on the inside. Cover it up and just leave it until the 135 sorted.
Yeah.